The National Weather Service in Leeds City issuing a tornado warning to northeastern Chambers County and southeastern Liberty County until 7:45. At 7:21, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado with rotation was located over Anahuac, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. There's radar indicated rotation with that storm. And that storm will be near Anahuac right now at 7:25, and they continue to move northeast towards the I-10 corridor. Again, this is a tornado warning, for northeastern Chambers County and southeastern Liberty County until 7:45 this evening. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
At 6:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Clegg, or 9 miles southwest of George West, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near River Creek Acres around 6:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Dinero around 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Skidmore around 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 37 between mile markers 39 and 61. U.S. Highway 281 between mile markers 628 and 644. U.S. Highway 181 between mile markers 586 and 608. U.S. Highway 59 between mile markers 692 and 738. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service
Well, good fucking morning to you too.
northwestern Refugio County in south-central Texas, southeastern Beebe County in south-central Texas, until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Skidmore, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Beeville, Refugio, Woodsboro, Skidmore, and Blanconia. This includes the following highways: U.S. Highway 181 between mile markers 592 and 606. U.S. Highway 183 between mile markers 652 and 668. US Highway 59 between mile markers 696 and 706. U.S. Highway 77 between mile markers 614 and 628. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Sea level. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Baton Bay and Upper Laguna Madre. Coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles. Copano, Aransas, and Redfish Bays. Corpus Christi and New Aces Bays. San Antonio, Mesquite, and Espiritu Santo Bays. Waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Aransas, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside on the Bay, Rockport, and downtown Corpus Christi. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.